Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser sublimation printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Brother Sublimation printer. This model stands out for its unique focus on DIY projects and creativity. With compatibility to the Artspira app, users can access over 100 sublimation designs and even convert images into poster-style artwork. This makes it ideal for those looking to personalize fabric items, such as creating custom t-shirts or tote bags. The printer comes with Brother Genuine ink and a starter pack of sublimation paper, giving you everything you need to kickstart your creative journey. In terms of design, the Brother Sublimation printer boasts a compact and functional build with a sleek white finish. It features an LCD screen for easy navigation and supports Wi-Fi connectivity, making it simple to print directly from your PC or mobile device. However, its print speed is notably slower compared to other models on the list, which might be a drawback for users needing fast turnaround times. While it excels in vibrant color output and reliability, it lacks dual-sided printing and has a relatively modest resolution of 1440 by 1440 dpi. This printer is best suited for hobbyists and small businesses focused on fabric sublimation projects, but its slower speed and limited features might deter those looking for higher efficiency. Pros include its creative capabilities and ease of use, while cons include limited print speed and duplex functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Epson EcoTank ET2400. The budget-friendly option, perfect for everyday home printing. This entry-level EcoTank model offers cartridge-free printing with high-capacity ink tanks that save up to 90% on replacement ink costs. With up to 2 years of ink included in the box, this printer is an excellent choice for users who want a hassle-free solution for basic printing needs. Design-wise, the ET2400 is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small spaces. It offers wireless connectivity and voice-activated printing, which allows you to print directly from smart devices or via Alexa. However, it lacks advanced features like dual-sided printing and auto-document feeding, which might limit its versatility for office tasks. The print resolution of 5760 x 1440 dpi ensures sharp text and vibrant colors, but its performance is best suited for light usage rather than heavy workloads. The ET2400 is a solid choice for families or individuals who need a reliable printer for occasional document printing or photo projects. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and eco-friendly design, while cons include slower print speeds and fewer advanced features compared to higher-tier models. At number 3, we have the Epson EcoTank ET2800, a dependable model that balances affordability and performance. This printer is ideal for basic home use, offering innovative cartridge-free printing with high-capacity ink tanks that last up to 2 years. The EcoFit ink bottles make refilling easy and hassle-free, eliminating the frustration of running out of ink unexpectedly. The ET2800 features a clean, modern design with an LCD display for straightforward navigation. While it lacks auto-duplex printing, its manual duplex functionality is sufficient for occasional double-sided projects. The printer delivers impressive print quality with Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology, producing sharp text and vibrant graphics suitable for casual use. Its resolution of 570/60 by 1440 dpi ensures excellent detail, but with a maximum color print speed of 5 ppm, it's not the fastest option for high-volume tasks. This model is perfect for users who need a reliable printer for everyday documents, homework assignments, or creative projects. Its pros include low running costs and eco-friendliness, while its cons are slower print speeds and limited features compared to higher-tier models. Overall, the ET2800 is a great entry point into Epson's EcoTank lineup. At number 2, the Epson EcoTank ET4800 takes the spotlight as a versatile, all-in-one printer designed for home offices. It builds on the strengths of the EcoTank lineup, offering cartridge-free printing with significant savings on ink costs. This model includes advanced features like an auto document feeder, ADF, and dual-sided auto-duplex printing, making it an excellent choice for users who need efficiency and convenience. The ET4800 boasts a compact, modern design with Ethernet connectivity for seamless integration into your office setup. Its 5760 by 1440 DPI resolution ensures crisp, vibrant prints, and it performs well for both text-heavy documents and colorful graphics. The voice-activated printing capability further enhances usability, allowing users to control the printer hands-free. While its print speed of 10 ppm for monochrome and 5 ppm for color isn't the fastest, the ET4800 compensates with its robust feature set and reliable performance. Pros include its advanced office-friendly features, high print quality, and eco-friendly ink system. Cons include slower speeds compared to premium models. This printer is ideal for small business owners or professionals looking for a cost-effective, feature-packed solution for their printing needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Epson EcoTank ET15000, the premium pick for users who demand professional quality prints and robust functionality. This all-in-one printer supports wide format printing up to 13 by 19 inches, making it perfect for businesses or creative professionals who work with larger designs or marketing materials. Its cartridge-free system with high-capacity ink tanks saves up to 90% on ink costs. With up to 2 years of ink included, the ET15000 is built for performance, with a maximum print speed of 17 ppm for monochrome and 9 ppm for color. It offers auto-duplex printing, an auto-document feeder, and Ethernet connectivity, making it a powerhouse for office environments. The 5760 by 1440 DPI resolution ensures stunning detail and vibrancy, whether you're printing photos, flyers, or technical documents. Its sturdy build quality and sleek design reflect its premium status. While it's the most expensive model on the list, the ET15000 justifies its price with unmatched versatility and efficiency. Pros include its wide format capability, advanced features, and exceptional print quality. The only con is its higher upfront cost, but for users seeking top-tier performance and reliability, this is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.